What is going up, guys? Your boy Epic Viper 13, and today I'm just gonna make a quick video. I haven't really uploaded, but I'm gonna be doing that soon. As you can see, my Hellcat is right there. So I'm just gonna show you what tools and what stuff I use to wash my car, keep my car clean, and I'm gonna be showing you. So pretty much, I don't know when this video goes up. I use Atom polishes. That's pretty much what I use for everything, like as a cleaner. Pretty much any sealants and stuff like that. So I use Adam's polishes. And if you guys go right now, the 16-ounce bottles is pretty much buy one get one. So I pretty much I bought a lot of them just because, you buy one get one. So pretty much if you buy like a couple of them, you get pretty much free stuff. So I pretty doubled up on my cleaning supplies. So as you can see, I'm gonna show you right now. Hellcat is doing pretty good. Wheels are clean. Red calipers, hell raisin. Guys, this color, I think they only made it for a couple of years. I think it was like 3 years that they had it. I'm not sure when they, I know it came out on the wide bodies like in 2021. This is the 2022 version. And then of course the 2023, they don't even have the hell raisin. So they don't have this color anymore. So this color, it might be like a rare color from, from the Chargers. And of course it's pretty much fully built. It has the red calipers, 6-piston brakes. It has, of course, the Hellcat. It has the red interior. Of course, you can't see it through there because it's tinted. But as you can see, I need to clean this. Like a lot of bugs. Like I live like close to the valley, so of course, like it's all like, all farm and fields. So of course, this happens all the time. So that's why I have to clean this all the time. And let me show you the stuff I use to clean my car. My brother's freaking bumpers here. It's kind of... Alright, let me get through here. So, here is what I have. So, it's hard to get in there, but pretty much I have the sprayer here, which is made with, I don't know where it went, but the sprayer there has a waterless wash, which is by my Guires. I have an Armor All wheels and tire cleaner there on the left side. But this is where I keep all my stuff. So, of course, I have some drying towels by Adam's Polishes, some applicator sponges by Adam's Polishes, and then some, this is like, as you can see, some towels there. That's to pretty much, you can do clean it or polish stuff. So, let me show you. And, of course, this is my bucket. Kind of dirty, but I have to wash it. And, of course, this is my pressure washer. It's pretty small, but it gets the job done. This is I think it's a 1.2 gallons per minute. And then this is what I wash the car. So it's pretty good. And of course over there, I don't know if you can see it, but that's my two foam cannons that I use. They're pretty cheap. The one on the right cost me like 30 bucks. The one on the left cost me like 25, but they work, they do their job. Of course. And then this is the stuff. So this is the Adam's Polishes foam applicator. You can use this. This is for the interior because I got some leather conditioner because, of course, I have leather seats. And, of course, I pretty much doubled up on Mega Foam because this is what I use to wash my car. Oh, guys, this is the best thing. Graphene ceramic spray coating. It's pretty much like ceramic coating, but it's easier to put on. Basically, I'll just wash the car, put it on, and then just remove it with the towel, and it'll work the same as a ceramic coating. And this is cheaper than actually ceramic coating. And I'm gonna do this later on my Hellcat. Just because my Hellcat doesn't really need anything, I just wash it and then pretty much use this on top because it's not scratched or anything. Maybe just like I might just do like a quick clay bar stuff just to remove like stuff in there. But this will make ceramic coat. So this is pretty cool. It cost me like 60 bucks, but it's worth it. I've used it before. Glass cleaner, of course, for the glass. Detail spray. Leather conditioner for my seats since they're leather. Tire shine, that's right there. Mega foam. This is like the first bottle. It's almost done. It's almost there, but of course. I got colored foam, which is pretty much just purple foam. And then more Mega Foam. I bought 3 bottles of this. Of course, I also doubled up on bug remover. So this is clutch. Here, let me. This is clutch because, like I said, I get a lot of bugs here. So I think I ordered 4 of these. There were like $9 on Adams Polishes. But if you buy, pretty much I bought 2 of them and then got 2 for free because that's the promo right now. So I use this a lot. I might buy like a gallon of this because you know, bug remover is really, it's an essential when you live here by like, you know, Central Valley. And that's pretty much what I have. I also have interior spray, which smells pretty good. So this is just to clean, you know, keep it clean, anti-micro. And then of course I bought this. Oh, jeez. Adam Polishes, which is for the wheels. So it's a big stick here. And then you just clean the wheels, like right there. Put it in there and clean it. Hopefully one day I get sponsored by Adams Polishes, but at the moment, you know, I'm still buying their stuff because it's great. It's great stuff. And of course, not ballet. And then I have this brush. So this brush is cool because this is what I use to clean the rims, the wheels, and this is what I use to clean the tires because this is more like hard. So it's for the tires, and then this is for the wheels so they don't scratch. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. That's what I use on my car. You know, you just have to save a little bit of money just to be able to get this stuff. That's why I always buy like my cleaner stuff like when they're on sale because I can just pretty much, you know, take advantage of that. But yeah, that's pretty much what I use. Right now there's no other mods except for my splitter and my wicker bill that I still have to install. I'm also trying to get I was gonna get airbags as well, and that's would pretty much conclude my build just because I don't want to get too big. I'm just gonna keep it subtle but as well look good, and that's pretty much it. But yeah, guys, quick video for you guys what I use to keep my car clean. That's pretty much what I use to keep my car clean. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna be posting more other videos, but if you did enjoy today's video, make sure to like the video, subscribe. Boy Epic Viper signing out. Peace.